May 2010, question 5 on paper 1. Expand 2 plus x to the power 4 and simplify your result. In order to solve this question, we must know the binomial theorem, which I posted here for you to see. Once you have the binomial theorem, you can just sub in the numbers for x and y. You know that x is 2 and y is x. Let's just call these a and b to make it simpler. So a is 2 and b is x. Once you know this, you can move on in the binomial theorem. N represents the power that x plus y is 2, or as I said, a plus b to the power of n. So we know that here the power is 4, so we must put the power 4 there. And same, power of 4, power of 0, because n is equal to 4. Then on the second term, n minus 1 is equal to 3. So 4a to the power of 3, b to the power of 1. As you can see, it's a pattern, and all you have to do is just sub in the numbers. Then, once you have this, you can start subbing in the numbers. As you can see, a is 2, and x, and b is x. So once you sub in those numbers, you're gonna get you have to expand it, and then you're gonna get 16 plus 32x plus 24x squared plus 8x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 4. And I just chose to rearrange it here. You can choose to rearrange it from powers of greatest to lowest, which makes the most sense. And that's your answer for part A. Now, for part B, it says, hence find the term in x to the power of 2 in 2 plus x to the power of 4 times 1 plus 1 over x squared. Now, what this is really telling you is the 1 here multiplies this. So you are going to get just this term again, which is this over here. And you put that in for question B. And yeah, when you multiply that, I just expanded, I wrote the expansion down here. So when you multiply 1 by the expansion, you get this. And then you also have to multiply the whole thing by 1 over x squared. Now when you multiply it by 1 over x squared, it's the same as dividing it by x squared. So all it is asking for is 1 times the whole set of terms from the first. Here, let me just make this window bigger for a second. You have to take this whole thing 1 time. And then you have to take it again and divide it by x squared and add it to your first set of this, which I did down here. And then once you get to that, you add up all the terms, and you're going to get this right here, which is x to the power of 4 plus 8x to the power of 3 plus 25x to the x squared plus 40x plus 40 plus 32 over x plus 16 over x squared. And you can see that it's asking for the x squared coefficient, and the coefficient of that is 25. So the correct answer would be 25x squared, because it's asking for the term, not the coefficient.